Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. Want to give you an update here on Space or Virgin Galactic. An article was recently posted on MSN and it says Virgin Galactic stock is overvalued given the competition and the long-term costs. Virgin Galactic has shed 20% since reporting its second quarter results in early August. The dip in space stock is mainly attributable to the delays affecting the commercial revenue service launch. Though the delay is imperative in meeting the company's supply constraints, it pushes back commercial service to the second half of 2022. Space stock has had an incredible run at the market until the end of February, where it gained over 90%. However, it sold off dramatically after continual delays with its test flight window. The stock now trades at virtually the same price it did at the start of the year. Space stock certainly has long-term growth catalysts that could make it a solid investment down the road. The main question is, though, whether it's worth investing at current levels. The company boasts a market cap of over $6.25 billion with its price metrics through the roof. Throw in the competitive threat from companies such as Blue Origin and the fact that meaningful revenues are still way off, and you can see why space stock appears overpriced at this point. Did the market overreact? Virgin Galactic is upgrading its mothership, the VMS Eve, to fly as close to 100 times before it requires major maintenance. However, it will push back commercial operations to late 2022, which has irked investors. Nevertheless, the investment was crucial for a space tourism company looking to launch as many as 400 times a year. Furthermore, Virgin Galactic has also announced increasing ticket prices from $250,000 to a minimum of $450,000. The new prices will be in effect after the first 600 customers have been flown to space and back. If the plan holds through, the company could double its sales per flight and shrink costs. However, it will take a while before the company can take advantage of the improved ticket prices. The first 600 customers need to be flown first, which would require roughly 100 flights. Moreover, it can't begin its operations before the fourth quarter of 2022. Virgin Galactic is expected to fly 25 to 30 times in 2023. Its cadence could increase significantly once it adds its Delta spaceplane to its existing VSS Unity and VSS Imagine. Even then, it will be early to mid-2025 before it could potentially complete its first 100 flights. Virgin Galactic versus Blue Origin. Similar to Virgin Galactic, the Jeff Bezos-led space company Blue Origin has had a breakthrough year as well. It completed its first human flight back in July and putting its competition on notice. However, Blue Origin has a vision beyond suborbital space tourism. Jeff Bezos stated that the architecture and the technology we have chosen is complete overkill for suborbital tourism mission. It will be focusing on its long-term plan for the development of space colonies. Look at some price action here related to Space or Virgin Galactic. You can see some of the selling pressure that's been going on. This thing on the TTM squeeze histogram has been under the zero line since July 14th. So we're talking about 2 months of beatdown and or consolidation here after that crazy run up to 60. You saw a lot of profit taking. Also, Richard Branson dropped a large stake in the company, so another big sell-off there. And it's been kind of consolidation, though. Since then, it's been going kind of sideways. I know the FAA has an investigation into Virgin Galactic right now. And then also there was the news about the possible faulty part, which caused another delay. So there's a couple bad news stories going on right now with the stock. But it's been kind of sideways since August 13th. So it's been over a month that it's really been trading within a tight range. You can see from about $28, $29 down to about $23, $24. So it's been really within a tight range. It's been going really sideways. And you can see that on the TTM squeeze here, the price has been squeezing. This is the 5th day in a row the price has been squeezing on Virgin Galactic. So it's definitely primed for a big move. And I know the article that I read is really bearish in the short term on the stock, but it does talk about the long-term potential. I definitely have to agree with the long-term potential of Virgin Galactic. I mean, they're going to be upping their ticket prices to $450,000 a seat. So I think definitely for the long run, there's, a lot of potential in this stock. But I think this thing is probably going to make a big move to the upside, to be honest. I know the article talks about, maybe being overvalued at this point, but honestly, I think this thing is going to make another huge run. Like once they get their next test flight off, and the FAA, as long as they do their investigation and they allow them to, go back to space and continue these flights and continue their progress, towards taking private citizens into space, I think this thing is going to squeeze and make a massive move to the upside. Now, of course, I'm hoping that this squeeze that's happening right here ends up being a big move to the downside, because I want to get back into space at cheaper price than like $25 or 23, $24. So I'm hoping this thing makes a big move to the downside and dies. But honestly, I have to say that I think this thing is squeezing, and it's probably going to pump to the upside with a couple good news stories. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on space. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.